Samsung is about to change the game again. The Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't just about power and cameras this time. It's also getting a mind-blowing privacy feature and a stunning new color that honestly makes the iPhone 17 Pro Max look boring. Every year, Samsung pushes the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. And with these latest leaks, it looks like they're focusing not only on performance, but also on things that really matter in daily life, like keeping your personal information private and giving you a device that looks as premium as it feels. Let's start with privacy, something we all care about, but rarely get dedicated features for. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to come with a brand new privacy display mode. Imagine this. You're in a crowded cafe, sitting on public transport, or even in a classroom, and someone is casually glancing at your phone screen. With auto privacy turned on, the phone automatically protects your display so strangers can't peek at your sensitive apps, private photos, or personal notifications. It's intelligent enough to activate only when conditions are met, so you don't have to worry about constantly switching settings on and off. This means your gallery, your chats, even your lock screen can stay secure in public spaces. Essentially, Samsung is giving you peace of mind every time you unlock your phone, and that's a feature people will actually use daily. And then we have the design leak that has people talking, the new cosmic orange color option. Just look at it. Bold, premium, and completely different from the usual black, silver, or blue tones we're used to. It's vibrant, but still elegant, the kind of finish that makes your device instantly stand out without looking over the top. Compared to the iPhone 17 Pro Max, which still sticks to its predictable shades, this cosmic orange S26 Ultra looks fresh and modern. It's a statement piece, a phone that doesn't just perform like a flagship, but also looks like one from every angle. People who like their phone to reflect their personality will absolutely love this option. So with leaks pointing to a next-gen privacy display and this eye-catching cosmic orange finish, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most complete smartphone packages ever. It's not just about throwing in bigger numbers or more megapixels anymore. Samsung is refining the little things that affect your everyday experience. Whether it's knowing your information is safe in public or holding a phone that makes heads turn the moment you pull it out of your pocket, the S26 Ultra is gearing up to deliver both practicality and personality. And remember, this is just the beginning. More leaks about the cameras, the AI features, and the overall performance are coming soon. Samsung is clearly setting the stage for a flagship that will define 2026 smartphones. Stick around because there are plenty more surprises about the Galaxy S26 Ultra still to come. And trust me, you won't want to miss them. Subscribe now so you're the first to know when the next big leak drops.